Hi and welcome to another video of series Sharing Experience. Today we learn about how to find CPA offers and promote with White Hat CPA Marketing. We'll learn how to find CPA offers, how to do keyword research, how to promote with Parasite SEO, how to promote with Google Ads. So let's start with finding CPA offers. I'll be using maxbounty CPA account as I have approved maxbounty account. So let's go to maxbounty here. Now here we'll search for the offers like browse, and as we are planning to promote with SEO or Google Ads, so we'll find the offers which for just search traffic. I am including this brand bid. I'll show you why later. And here select the country to United States, as I found the offers for United States are quite good and high paying. For categories I'll choose health and all subcategories in health. I'll choose with approved to run offers as I don't want to apply for the offers and it will take some time if you are new. Now I got the list of like 50-60 offers. Now let's sort it by APC. Now you see here we find the list of good offers which we can promote. Now we have to open the offer detail and I am eligible to promote it. Now read their terms and condition. They haven't mentioned any brand bid or anything. So what we have to do is we have to find the brand name on Google and see how other are promoting it. You see for the particular keyword there are 1600 searches and these sites are promoting it. Now here we can learn how other are promoting. Like you see a brand blog, sponsored content. You see people are promoting CP offer with guest post or paid content. They are using authority of this domain and they are ranking over it. Again on second position, Amazon, Global Newswire. They are using PR to promote this offer. APN News, they are using again Parasite. Press release again. Shopstriction, this might be the official site. Now you see they are paying for the content to publish, so they might be getting revenue from it. That's why they are paying to promote it. So this can be a good offer. You can run Google Ads also for this, or you can work with Parasite SEO, like by doing press releases. Similarly, let's check for one more offer. Curafane. Before trying promoting any offer, make sure to read their terms and condition here. Sometimes they mention that brand bidding is not allowed. So if you promote it with Google Ads or like SEO, you might not get revenue after that. Now let's search for this brand name again. Closing all other tabs. Again, it has 170 searches. Again, a PR. Now if you try to reverse engineer them, like to check their site, Curafin, again, internal linking. UTM, so this is affiliate link. They are promoting directly with PR. Minafin. Again, this is a gas posting site. It's available on Facebook groups, like at I think $10-15. You can easily promote these type of offers with parasite. Let's find out the competition again. 11,000. Have to be more specific for keyword research. You can do like put curafin and add the review ingredients. Say buy, where to buy. These are all long tail and high converting keywords. If you work on these type of keywords, the traffic you get after that are the last stage of buying. Means the people who are planning to buy this have done all their research. Now they are planning to buy it online. So if he is searching for this keyword and found your site and click on the affiliate link, it might be the last click to the buy button. So you get the good revenue with this. So this is how to find the CP offers, how to do the keyword research, how to promote it with parasite SEO. Similarly, you can promote it with Google Ads. I'll cover about how to create ads, landing page in later videos. That's all for today. How to find the CP offers. See you in next video tomorrow.